This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, so now I want to see the logs of the container. So Docker PS, now Docker logs, and this one. See that whatever the logs you have of that container, you can see that.
Okay.
See, this is the tag.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. I told you this is a tag. This one.
Yeah. Or somebody attacked, somebody tried to.
Someone tried to sneak into the application,
Okay.
assuming that it has something, but it hardly is a container, right?
Yes, sir.
So see that they are trying to how. Do you understand? Even I'm not able to understand. This say get is okay.
Yeah.
This is not okay.
Okay.
This is not. This is okay. This is not okay. Anyways, so this you can see that logs and stuff like that. If you want to see the running containers, anyways, here you have. Now let's say you want to know the CPU utilizations of containers. So stats command will help you see that CPU, memory, network, and block and all everything you
Yes,
have
sir.
it over there. Now top command. What is a top command? So one statement I'm making, you have to remember all the time. Okay. So this containers is nothing but a process for the host machine. I repeat, this container is nothing but the process for the host machine, because if you log into the machine, you are also process. Mind it.
Correct.
Okay. So this container also process. That's how that they get a CPU allocation and RAM allocations. So now the question is, hi, I want to see the process. So if I do cont, see these are the containers. Now I don't know which container is having which process ID in the parent machine, host machine. See here. Now now you can identify. There's a ways to do that, but again it's a time consuming. So what to do? Simple. You type Docker top and this container, and this is the parent process on the host machine. You see that
Okay.
33939393720. Somewhere it should be 3939720. You should be having it, and here it is. Got it?
Yes.
So this is the easy way to find out the container PID on the host machine. So here you can see the logs. Here you see the status of the container. Here you see the utilization of the container. Here you can see the process ID of the container on the host
Mm-hmm.
machine. Now what exactly you see here? So this you see Docker D logs, Docker D logs, mind it,
Okay.
not container, Docker D. Docker D is your engine, okay?
Correct.
So that is something which you wanted. So now when you run the Docker events command, here it is, events command, and you see that now I have, you think it's got stuck? No, you have to do something here. Docker run -itd ubuntu, and you see ubuntu spelling correct here. It's downloading the image, and you see that I open up a two console. You see, pull
Oh,
this
yeah.
here, create
Yes.
that here,
Real
connecting the
time link.
network. So I told you, right? Remember the run is equal to pull, create,
Uh-huh.
start, all this thing. So you can see that here. Okay. So this is something which you have events command. So this command is very helpful for monitoring. Now
Sure, sir.
this command is helpful for creating an image. So yes, I'm going to teach you how to create an image. Okay. So that is the things which I'm going to teach you. So now guys, here creating an image, there's a two method. Okay, I'm not writing too much. So you'll practice it, you'll get started. So creating a image using the two method. One is using existing container. Okay, so that is a stuff which you have. So that means you can use existing container also and using Dockerfile also. Now, which is the better one? Dockerfile. Why
Docker.
we are using uh, existing container? Because we want to learn. Okay, that's all. So how to create an image? So my manager this morning came to me and said, Rajesh, do one thing. Base, it should be Ubuntu. After that, install the Git. After that, install Apache. And what else? He wanted to Java also installations. So he said, okay, Rajesh, create a image which should be having the base Ubuntu and the other software should be installed. Copy
Okay.
some file also, some files also, and da. I said, okay, I'll do that. So he said, how much time it will take? I said, just 5 minutes. So let me do that. So first thing, you have to create one container. So Docker run -itt Ubuntu. I want to name this container --name Raju. Okay. So Raju is a container name. Now I'll go inside the container. So Docker
Okay.
execute -it Raju and
Okay.
bin bash. So I got inside the container. Right now you're inside a container. Then he said, just a second. Then he said, okay. So then he said, what he said? Not he said. I got inside the container and then installing the Ubuntu Git. So how do we install the Git inside this? So here, Git is not there. So I'll update the container, not operating system, container.
You can also use yum update, right?
Yum update in RHL always remember operating system different. This
Okay.
I want to
In container we have to use apt-get.
yeah package manager and commands. Okay, so this I'll talk about in tutorials. This question many freshers are asking. Okay, so now I install the update. Now clear the screen and now apt-get install git. Yeah.
Okay.
So now git is installing. All this
We
command I
cannot
know the sub.
we cannot use wget here.
Say, for example, I'll ask you a simple question. Which one, what you are using, Android or Apple's? Apple.
Apple.
Wonderful,
Apple, sir.
rich, rich guy. So let me ask you, if I ask you to download the package of Apple Mobile and then manually copy into your mobile and then install it, or you go and just click on the Play Store, Play not iOS Store, App Store, and then click install. Which one you prefer? Hello.
Sorry, can you repeat it, sir? It broke.
So
Can you
you
repeat?
want to install one application in your mobile. Okay.
Okay.
Approach number one, you have to download the package app, copy into your mobile, and then install.
Mm-hmm.
Click on the package and then install it. Approach
Mm-hmm.
number one. Approach number two, click on your app store and then click install. Which one you will do
Yes.
that?
I'll go with App Store and install.
Correct. So same way, wget to download the package and then install it. Yum
Mm-hmm.
or apts to just install it. Simple, direct. Got
Okay.
it?
Okay. Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Wget for downloading a file. That's all.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
so did I install the Git? I'm inside a container. Yes. Now I'm going to install the Apache. Which Apache? Which Apache 2 is not there. So apt get install Apache 2. I'm installing Apache. Yes. So here, which Apache 2? Let me check whether it's got installed or not. Yes, it got installed. After that, my manager said Java. So apt get install Java. Okay. Java package is not there, so no problem. I'll go to my blog and Java install in Ubuntu. So here Java install in Ubuntu and Ubuntu. So this is the package. Okay, so run this command. I'm installing the Java now. Write command is needed all the time. So yes, whatever that he said, I just installed it. Copy some files, so let me do that also. So Java will take some time, you know.
Yes, sir. And we use the same command java hyphen version to check which Java version we install.
True. See here, Java version installed 11. Good. So I
Okay.
installed everything. Come out of it. Docker PS Raju is there on top of it. Where is Raju? Here it is. So Raju is a container name. You can use the ID also. You can use the name also. Now I want to
Okay.
copy some files. This file I want to copy.
Okay.
So raju.txt. So Docker CP where you want to copy Raju and where you want to copy TMP whatever it is. And Docker CP file name I forgot actually. Raju.txt. Done. Can I check this? Docker exec Raju and lstmp. See, done. So file got copied. So now requirement is done. So let's create a container, an image. So Docker commit. When you use the container, then use the commit. Commit. Who are you?
Mm-hmm.
Commit. What message? So demo image, just any message you want. Who are you? Author. Rajesh Kumar. Now, what is the name of the image you want to give it? So I want to give the name image demo, something like this. And then what container you want to commit? So Raju and okay, this is spelling mistake. Opposite way, okay. Raju is a container, demo is image. Now, so I created one image named with a demo from the container Raju. And can I check this? So Docker images
Yes.
here. Now I want to create a container. So Docker run -itd from what demo, and this is the container. Now Docker ps, this is the container ID from demo. Docker, I'll just validate. Docker execute Java is installed. So get which Java, which Apache 2, everything and done. So this is the way you can create an image using existing container. Did you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now the question is how can you create an image using Dockerfile? Okay. So how can you create? Now simple. You will write a file. So what was the requirement? This is the requirement. So let me write. From means you have to select the base. What was that? Ubuntu. Who are you? Maintainer. My name is Rajesh Kumar. You can write in any format actually, that's not a problem. DevOps at the rate of Rajesh Kumar dot xyz. Okay, who are you? What you want to do? First, I wanted to install Git. So run what? apt get update I did. After that, what you want to do? Run apt get update install git -y interactive, and like that you'll install all these other stuff also. Okay, Java also same way. This
Now, what
command.
are you doing? You are doing the file.
Yeah, I'm writing a Docker file.
Oh, okay. Okay.
So this is the second method, no?
Mm-hmm.
So same thing which I did on the existing container, I'm doing through the second method. Understood?
Oh, yes, sir.
Yeah.
But
So base
but
from who are
from
you?
Ubuntu, from Ubuntu, right? I mean, how would where should be? I mean, like if the Ubuntu is not there, uh, uh,
It will
where
download
would?
that.
Okay, if you just give from Ubuntu, that's it.
See what exactly Dockerfile is. Whatever the command you run manually, you are expressing in the Dockerfile. There is a
Correct.
certain ways to do that. That is what I'm trying to tell you. So from Ubuntu means base image will be Ubuntu. Inside that, this is the author name. Inside that container of Ubuntu, this will run this command will be run. After that, this command will run. After that, this command will run. So all this line will create a layers of image. Okay. So you can write like this many.
Okay.
So this
Can you
command will
show
be
me?
running.
Can you show me this how to run the file, sir?
I'll teach you this. So I'm
Yeah.
still writing it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So here now copy the file. So copy the file. Copy what file? File was mm, raju.txt. And where you want to copy? OPT. What else you want to do? So you want to environment. What environment? Java home. You want to set environment, right? Is equal to
Yes.
what? So is equal to uh, TMP, something like this. Any path you can set up. Okay. So one thing I'm missing, whether is equal to required or not, I forgot actually. So Docker file env and env. mm, not required. So I think this is the things. So here you can copy the file, you can set the environment and so on. So this is your Docker file. Now how do you run it? So go to here, write one file, vi Docker file, enter, paste it and done. Now this file is ready. Understood so far?
Yes.
Now how do
Why
you
did you
build it?
copy? Why did you copy? Okay. Okay. There was a requirement copy file, right? Okay. Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm showing you the different what is it scenarios. Here you can
Yeah.
run the command inside a container, copy the file, set the environment variable. Many things can be done. Okay? So these are the things. Now what to do? Simple build that. So this is the official way to build the image. So Docker build what? Name of the image, Ramu Kaka, whatever it is. And where is this context? Dockerfile dot. So this will build your Ramu Kaka image, which has all these updates. So there is some command. I need
But
to
where
check
is it?
what is
But where is it picking from? You entered dot. But how? If we have
dot.
multiple document files,
No, can't have it. In one directory, you should have only one Docker file. If you have a multiple Docker file, then merge it together. One image is equal to one Docker file.
okay. Which directory will it be? It's in the etc or root or bin.
Any directory, I don't care here the directory. The place dot means the place where your Docker file.
Okay. Do Dockerfile have any extension?
No, just Dockerfile. It if you keep the different file name, then you have to use Docker build hyphen t image name and hyphen f file name of Docker file and dot. Right. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So this is the way you have to create a image. Now after this, after creating an image using this some of the commands, okay, I'm going to share this image. with someone, which is called registry. So how can I do that?
You need to
Let's
create a
see.
box, right?
So many ways to set up share the image. One of the ways is share tarball. Another one is to you can upload on the registry, which is hub.docker. Private also registry can be used, but right now we don't have a private. Hub.docker.com you can use it. So here Ramu Kaka is created. See here, Ramu Kaka I created using Dockerfile. Demo I created using existing container. Got it? Okay, so
Yes.
now how to share an image? So simple. Let's create a tarball. How can we create? So Docker save what you want to save to output file. What file name?
Ramu.
ramukaka.tar. Which image? This image. Now this size is little large, so let it. Done. Now you see that ls. This is the Ramu Kaka. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now what I'll do, I'll remove the Ramu Kaka image. See RMI to remove the image. I removed it. You prove it. Here there is no Ramu Kaka. So how do I load it? Load command I in input Ramu Kaka tar. So I remove load it. So this is the one of the way you can create a tar file, share the tar file with someone, and then you will do the save, he will do the load. Simple. Got it?
Okay, sir.
Now next thing is how can I send to the registry? So go to the hub.docker.com. It's a free website. It's like a GitHub. Anyone
Okay.
can register. I have accounts over there already. So here DevOps school continue and password I stored it, though I don't remember that. And here. So now I'm going to push that here so a whole world can get it. Just like you were downloading from there, right? I can upload
Yes.
there also. So
Okay.
here, what is your name? Pranay. No, Anshu.
Anush.
Anush. Anush. So I'll create Anush. Your name of the repository will be DevOps Schools / Anush. It's a unique name. I don't have this repository earlier. So here.
Okay.
So this is the command to push. Now this is
Okay.
a private view. You will have a public view that the whole world can see. So what to
Yes.
do now? So remember your repository name is this one. So here you have to match that. So here Docker. Here there is. Do we have any DevOps school / Anush repository name? No. So you know
No.
what? What I am doing right now? I am not uploading this size Ramu Kaka because which is close to 700 MB. So what
Correct.
I'm doing, I'm uploading this Ubuntu itself. It can be
Okay.
any images. So what
Okay.
I'll do, I'll just match the name, tag it, Docker, tag Ubuntu, and here. And you see that Ubuntu and Devoskulanush both are same ID, same size.
Yes.
Why did I
Yes.
rename it? Because if I upload Ubuntu, it will try to upload to the Ubuntu. This is the one Ubuntu, which is not, I don't have access to that repository. I have access to this repository. So
Yes.
Docker login. You are logging to this GitHub. Hub.docker. Sorry. What is username? So my username is DevOps Schools and password is this one. And you see that login succeeded. And Docker push which one? This one. And post it. So it's a small size, so it will be faster. We save some time here. So this is the way you can push the image. Now whole world can go to your this repository and pull it and use it whichever way you want. Understood?
Yes,
See
sir.
here, tag public view. You can see here public view. So anyone who wants this image which has a Ubuntu base, Java, Apache and Git, So he will pull this and get started. Make sense?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this is the something which we have a Docker. So here these are the commands. Just now I tried. This command you don't have to go into that because this
Okay.
command primarily we use for Swan, which is out of your
Okay.
scope right now. Yeah. So these are the commands which we try now. Few of these commands is, and these are the commands. So this is a Docker. So primarily remember that you are going to run all of your application in Docker.
Okay.
Understood? Any
Yes, sir.
question?
No, I
Okay.
might have to.
So
I should. I should practice a lot.
yes, uh, just practice it slowly. You will understand. It's a new platform. You get it. Just like you are working with the VM, or same way you have to work with the container.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now let's start with new topic. And before that, I would like to join this meeting again because I want separate recording. Else it'll mix up.
Okay. Sure.
Yeah.